everybody. Day 2. Today we're going to be having a couple of options. We're going to be crabs. We've got crab walks and crab flips. So we're really toning everything here today, butt, legs, abs and arms. So again, we're going to need a bit of space for this one. Coming down onto all fours, lifting your butt up as high as you can, and we're just rolling forward. Okay, like a crab. Well, don't crabs go sideways. We could go sideways too. That's a bit more awkward. Crab flips, flipping around. Again, butt up nice and high, squeezing your tummy in, and we're lifting up, reaching over, and taking that arm back, lifting up, and back down. So we're just alternating sides, reaching up and over as far as you can, and squeezing the butt. Okay, once you've done a couple to warm up, you can probably start trying to take it a bit further. Awesome. See you tomorrow.